this video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize your current listing to get more sales on Amazon. Hi, my name is Mohsin Abdul Razak. I am a founder and CEO at infographics. We already help 250 plus Amazon brands to rack up millions in sales. If you and anybody you know need to grow their sales on Amazon, reach out to me at mohsin@econfix.com. Let's move to the laptop screen so I can show you how you can optimize your listing. This is our company. You can visit us. You can check out our services we are providing. This is the listing we are going to work today. And check out the listing images they already have. The title is not optimized yet. The bullet points also need to be optimized. And they don't have ABC. So they reach out to me and they want listing optimization services, and we already designed the ABC, and here is the listing images we already designed for them. So we are going to optimize. This is the listing we are going to optimize. See, for the first, we are going to upload the images. See, the listing images for standard pack one is submitted and will be reflected in 24 hours. So we are going to we already write the listing, and if you want us to write for you a comparative listing, reach out to us. Thank you. See, the listing copy and images are updated. They will be reflected in 24 hours. Now we are going to give you ABC, advertising, give this content region. Now we're going to search the AC we are working on. See, there is no A plus content available for this AC. So we're going to create a new one. We're going to start with this one because we don't have an option for premium. You can have this. Now we are going to combinations. King, back of one, back two, queen, back of one, back of two, straighter, back of one, back of two. So apply content. Next, submit it. Let's have a final before applying. It looks great. And it takes 24 hours to approve. So it's messages have been saved. Total work. Okay, perfect. It will be reflected in 24 hours. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it.